Hello everyone. This application is all about all-in-one digital signature. In the sales module, we will be having an option for the digital signature by the customer. Similarly, we have provided an option in the purchase module also for the digital signature while creating the RFQ and the purchase order. And we have another feature, that is we can print the printouts of the purchase order and request for quotation, and it will be also containing the signature information in that particular printout. This is for Odoo 17 enterprise version, and now I will show how this application will be working. First, I'll go to the purchase module. Under the purchase module, I'll be creating the new RFQ. So I'll be selecting the vendor deco addict, and here I will be selecting the product, that is storage box, and here all the information I'll be providing, that is quantity, unit price, taxes, everything. And once this is done, you can see a new tab, vendor signature, will be updated in this particular RFQ. So here I will give the sign by the vendor name, that is deco, and here the sign on, which date I am signing this particular document, and what is the time. You can just select the date and time, and you can click on apply. So this will be updated, and this is the signature. If I click on edit button, you can have a predefined signature. You can upload that predefined signature for that particular vendor signature tab. And once this is uploaded with all the information, I'll click on save button. So this record will be saved, and here you can see there is a print RFQ option. Clicking on print RFQ option, a printout will be generated for this particular RFQ with the signature details. You will be able to see there is a signature with who has signed this particular document can be come up here. And similarly, if you want to click on action button and click on print. So here you will be able to see there is a RFQ option. From here also you can just print it, this printout, and here also you will be able to see the signature with the vendor name who signed this particular document. I'll confirm this purchase order, and here if I click on print button, you will be able to see there is a purchase order. Clicking on that, you will be able to see a printout for the purchase order. So here with a purchase order with all information, you will have the signature, and who signed this particular record can be also seen in this printout. And similarly, once this is done, I'll go to the accounting module. I'll go to the customer invoices. Here also I can create a customer invoices with a vendor signature. So here I'll select the customer as Assured Interior and add a product with all the information. And here also you will be able to see a tab called vendor signature. Similarly, I'll give the sign by is assured, and signed on today's date I will be applying, and clicking on apply. You can change the date, and here I will upload this signature which I am having as a predefined signature. Once this is uploaded everything, I will save this particular document, and here in the action button you can see there is a print option with the invoices and invoice without payment. So if I click on invoice without payment, then again a printout will be opening up with this signature, and who is the customer who signed this particular document can be shown. So this is a draft invoice. I'll confirm this invoice, and here you can see there is a send and print option. Clicking on send and print option, you can share it with the concerned person. You can send and print. So if you click on this particular button, you can download this and you can mail it to the customer. In this customer invoice, you will be able to see the signature details with who is a customer who signed this particular document. And here in the action button you have a print option. Here also you can download the invoices of that particular customer. A document will be open up with the signature and all the informations of the signatures. I will register this payment and create a payment. So this process will be completed by creating the customer invoices, and the vendor signature can be also get the details in this particular tab. So this is regarding by all-in-one digital signature. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.